Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel once again. So continuing with the videos of OpenQuery file. So I've already created three videos where I have shown you OpenQuery file commands working with star equal star GT operator and using the copy from query file and unquery file. So here we created the ODP using the OpenQuery file and the query that we provided, and then use that ODP in our RPG program while calling that RPG program from the CL where we created the ODP using the OpenQuery file. So let me jump to the next example where I'll be comparing the fields with the variable, the CL variable. So let me show you this example this time. So again declaring the file pf1. So this file has three fields: employee ID, employee name, and a manager ID. So now declared one of the variable named var1 of length 1 and value is 1 here. So what I'm going to do is just overriding the file pf1 and sharing star here so that I can share it with the ODP with this program uh, Open Query RPG. Now what I'm doing is I'm executing Open Query file command to select the file pf1 where query selection is from file 1. I am using where clause here in the query select. So where clause is like employee ID equals to so you can see that the whole expression must be enclosed within the single quote as this. Uh, as you can see, this one and this one and this one and this one. So basically this is employee ID equals, and this is the cat, star cat. We can use b cat, t cat, whatever that we want. So and var1. So var1 is a value. So either I can write 1 directly as a constant value, but here I am using the CL variable to compare it with the fields using the OpenQuery file command. So I'm concatenating the variable star cat and var star cat, then uh, the double quotes. So this value is enclosed within the double quotes. That's why we did like this. And the open ID is a here that you can see. So employee ID equals to this variable one. So variable one is one basically here. So it will basically select the first record and then call this with this OTP created. OpenQuery RPG program gets called and then the ODP deleted, delete override, that is override deleted, and end of program. Let me show you the RPG program. RPG program is simply declaring the file, and now I'm not going to use the whole file because we have already created an ODP over this file, open data path over that is temporary access path, and we were using that here. So that selected out of 6 or 7 record, that selected only one record with the employee ID equals to 1, and that will be basically displayed here as employee ID, name, and manager ID. So this is already compiled. Let me compile this. Just debug this. Open query file CL3 program. Just add the breakpoint and then call this program. Once we call this, just do work job. There is no override till now. There is no ODP created for PF1. Just do override, just share yes, and this ODP, you can see the value is 1. So this ODP is created. This file has this much record. We only have employee ID 1 in this ODP. Just check whether the ODP is created or not. So just take option 14. So you can see PF1 ODP is created here with this much information. Just go to this one. So it will read the file PF1. So basically reading the ODP. So printing, so displaying this employee ID 1, name as name 1, manager ID as 2. Again reading, so this will not get any record because only one record was selected using the OPNQRYF command. And this will basically delete the ODP and this will delete the override. So let's check. ODP is deleted, override is deleted, and this is the end of the program. So this way you saw that how we can compare a variable in CL program with the fields of the file in within the OpenQuery file command. So that's an example of how we can use the OpenQuery file command. How we can query build the query in an OpenQuery file command. So that's it here. Thank you and have a nice